This question is asking us to find the sum of an arithmetic series. So we have 2 thirds plus 14 thirds plus 26 thirds plus 38 thirds plus dot dot dot. Let's find the sum of the first 9 terms. And the other clue here is that we have an arithmetic series. Well, first thing I notice, well, I've got fractions and I don't like fractions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out that 1/3. And I'm going to play with that later at the end. And I'm going to recognize that right now I've got 2 plus 14 plus 26 plus 38. And because I have an arithmetic sequence, I'm noticing that my common difference, my d, is going to be equal to 12 because each term is going up by 12. So I have a formula that allows me to find the sum of a finite arithmetic sequence. The sum of n is equal to the number of terms, n, times the first term plus the last term divided by 2. So I know what n is. N is going to equal 9 because I'm looking for the sum of the first 9 terms. A sub 1 is given to me because that's 2. Remember, we're taking out the 1/3 for now. Then the only other thing I got to figure out is a sub n. Well, you can do some counting and figure it out, or we have a formula for this also. A sub n is equal to your first term plus n minus 1, because that's telling you how many steps you're taking, times the common difference. So for this particular problem, the 9th term of a is going to be equal to my first term, 2, plus n minus 1 steps. So that's going to be 9 minus 1, which is 8, times my common difference, which is 12. Okay? So 8 times 12 is 96, plus 2 is 98. This means my 9th term is 98. So now I can go a little bit further. Now I have everything I need to go back and use this formula right here. So my sum is equal to n, which is 9, times my first term, which is 2, plus my last term, which is 98, divided by 2. So 2 plus 98 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So I have 9 times 50. Oh, that didn't work out. Let's try that again. Times 50 is equal to 450. Now, you might be tempted to say, hey, this is my answer. But remember, back at the beginning, we took out this 1/3. So now what I'm going to do is recognize that I have to put that back in. So my sum of 9 terms is equal to 1/3 times previously what I had was 450. So my answer is 150.